Man, what's up with the what's up? It's your boy Tyrone Hunter back in the building with another edition of What's Really Good Entertainment, where it's all about entertainment. You feel me? If you've been rocking with the channel, I appreciate you. Thankful for checking in. Continue to stay locked in because you know I'm gonna bring nothing but that fire. If you're just checking in for the first time, hit the like button on the way in the door. Hit the subscribe button on the way out the door so you can join the squad. So y'all see who we got on that big screen. None other than notorious Judge Glandville, who's been presiding over the Young Thug Rico trial. And I done made quite a few videos about this already, so if you want to get caught up to speed, you could go back and check those videos. But you see the title. Yeah, man, it's definitely getting real. He's getting thrown off the case. This is just a little update. So I'm going to let y'all hear what they talk about, and then I'm going to hit you with my commentary. Check me out, though.
Welcome back to 11 Alive News at 4. The Georgia Supreme Court must now consider a motion filed by one of the defendants in the Young Slime Life Rico case.
That's right. So they want the trial stopped until it's determined whether Judge YSL Glandville should stay on this case. 11 Alive's Erica Murphy has a closer look at this developing story and what could happen next.
Lawyers representing Diamante Kendricks want the state Supreme Court to step in and issue a stay in the case until a motion for recusal can be considered by what they're calling an unbiased judge. In a filing dated Thursday, attorneys wrote that a secret meeting that took place on June 10th was inappropriate and grounds for Judge YSL Glandville to recuse himself from the case. So far, 3 motions for recusal have been denied by Glandville.
The state is required to give us information that can be used to assist our clients. They have to give us everything. It's called Brady material. I won't go into a lot of detail.
Now, check this out. This is the reason why they bring in that motion, because they done filed 3 motions already in front of Judge Glandville. All of the motion that he shot down. This lawyer is about to tell you right now about what's exactly the grounds and the reasons why they want the judge removed from the case. Check it out.
Contention over that meeting led to Glandville finding defense attorney Brian Steele in contempt and ordering him to serve a 20-day jail sentence. But Steele appealed that decision to the state Supreme Court. They have stayed his sentence pending the results of his appeal. Weinstein says the team's job is to provide a vigorous defense in this case.
The important thing for all of us defense attorneys is that our clients get a fair trial. So when you see all of these things happening in court, it's not an attempt to create a fuss or do anything other than really ensure that our clients get a fair trial.
In that motion, lawyers say they ultimately want Judge Glandville to assign another judge to consider motions for recusal and any further meetings and transcripts from those meetings to be disclosed. Erica Murphy, 11 Alive News.
Now listen at this. So that's what's going on, and I'm gonna tell y'all what's going on, right? So this Rico case been going on now for about 9 months. Judge Glandville has been pretty rogue. He's been doing kind of what he wanted to do in the trial. There's been allegations made that he's siding with the prosecutor, and that he's doing things improper, right? Young Thug lawyer Brian Steele found out that a secret meeting took place between the judge, between YSL Lil Woody, who's been on the stand for a few days, as well as the prosecution. It stated it was 14 people who were in that meeting, and none of them were part of the defense team. Now, the reason why that is an issue is because Lil Woody was already on the stand. He was already sworn in as a witness. Therefore, anything that needed to be discussed, it could have been discussed in open court outside the presence of the jury. It did not have to happen in the judge's chambers. Well, mysteriously, this did happen in the judge's chambers. So when Brian Steele got up there and, inquiring about the meeting, asking the judge why wasn't anybody from the defense, available for that meeting, the judge got mad and was like, well, how did you find out about that? And Brian Steele was like, well, I'm not going to tell you, because Brian Steele wouldn't tell him who gave him the information about the secret meeting. The judge got him locked up. And, pretty much he was sentenced to serve time in jail. His lawyers filed a motion that went to the Supreme Court, and that got overturned because the courts is currently looking at that. So now they asked the judge to provide the transcripts of the actual meeting that took place. The judge, Judge Glandville, he been dragging his feet on that as of lately, as well as he said he's going to provide the transcripts, but he's going to redact, which is cross out certain information, and he's going to give them the information they feel that they need to succeed. So they filed a motion to get him removed from the case, saying you have a secret meeting. You don't want to let us know what happened in that meeting. You don't want to let us know why we wasn't involved in that meeting. We're asking you for the transcripts of the meeting just to ensure that everything was fair. And you telling us that you're going to give us the transcripts, but you're going to mark certain information off. They filed for a mistrial again. He denied it. So it's like he's trying to cover up the fact that he had this secret meeting. Man, it's a lot going on in this case. So right now, as of yesterday, which was June 20th, 2024, they just filed a motion called a writ of mandamus, or mandamus, saying that they want the whole entire trial to stop until another judge could step in, so that they can get a review of the full transcripts of that meeting and to determine if another judge need to be put on this case so that their clients could get a fair trial. What I'm going to say to this is Judge Glandville is out of there. He out of there. He been doing too much. He been getting away with this for 9 months. He's a rogue judge. He's been just doing whatever it is that he want to do. And now they finally filed this motion to put a stop to it. So that's the latest and the greatest of the YSL Rico trial. Make sure y'all stay tuned as I continue to bring you updates. We gonna see what's happening with this motion, because they saying that Brian Steele and the defense team supposed to be cross-examining Lil Woody next week. But before he could be cross-examined, they need to know what happened in that hearing, just in case they need to provide any information to contradict any statements that he made while in that meeting. And they also gonna be trying to discover whether Judge Glandville and a prosecutor pressured that boy Lil Woody into telling. Man, this is getting crazy. But like I said, man, that's the update. That's the latest and the greatest. It's your boy, Tyrone Hunter. This is another edition of What's Really Good TV. Get down in the comment box. Let me know what you think about this situation. Like that like button up. Share the video so it can get out there so people can know what's going on. Yeah, man, justice is blind. But that's why I don't pay to be in the streets. But that's another story. I'm going to catch you up with the next one. Yeah, dig.